Here's how to verify your identity on gov.uk. First, download the required apps, the Gov UK One Login app and the Gov UK ID Check app. Open the Gov UK ID Check app and tap Continue. Tap Continue once more, and it will take you to this page here. Select Link app to proceed. Next, choose how you originally started the verification process. If you started on your phone, select the Phone option. Then, open your web browser and return to the gov.uk ID check page. Scroll down and tap the option to link the gov.uk ID check app. Now, if you started the process on a computer or tablet, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Use your phone to scan the code and connect the app. Then continue with the verification process. Once the app is linked, come out of the ID Check app and open gov.uk One Login. Tap Sign in with gov.uk One Login. Then enter your Gov UK One Login credentials. After you successfully sign in, the identity verification process should start automatically. Follow any instructions shown on the screen to complete the remaining checks. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.